Videos are for educational purposes only.
Now let's get started in these feet transformation. I still cannot believe I went this long without doing my feet. Please don't judge me, lol.
Midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview, oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me out, just take me out, yeah, just take me out. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Hey goddess babes, these are gonna to be all of the products that I'm gonna be using today for my DIY pedicure at home.
Style, we never go out of style. That long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style.
goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Now let's get it all in perspective. For all y'all enjoyment, a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro. Only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for wifey. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We can drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at. Through the Smurf, through the wop baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's